In the first part of Lesson 6, I covered the sharps and the order in which they're written, and now I'm going to show you what a written C major scale looks like. So this note here, right at the beginning with a short stripe through it, is middle C. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, what you'll notice, I need to show you this on a piano first. For violin students, I can do a separate video. But what you'll notice on a piano is that all of those notes are white. Okay? We played a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. These notes up here are the sharps and flats. They are not needed in a C major scale because it's ear-pleasing the way it stands, right? Our human ears are used to this sound. I should actually say our Western ears, because there are different scales in different cultures, but I'm not even going to go into that now. If I were to suddenly play a black note in the middle instead of one of the white notes, you would definitely hear when something sounds a little bit unusual. So this is what we call a major scale. And it is built up of the first degree, C, second degree, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth degree of the scale. We call it the degree being the note in the scale. Now what you'll notice on my piano is that when I play the first three, those actually had notes in between them, which we call the sharps. Those two, between note 3 and note 4, did not have a little note between. And the sound between them is a very small range. And it sounds awful played together. There's another one. The others are not as awful. Now these are very important. They are called semitones. Do you remember what semi means from one of my other videos? It means a half. And these are called tones. So all major scales are made up of a whole tone, a whole tone, a semitone, a whole tone, a whole tone, a whole tone, and a semitone. And I'll show you on my piece of paper here. The semitone was between E and F. There was no black note in between them. And B and C. Now there's nothing on these notes to indicate, except for the two little things that I've put in there, that these notes are a semitone apart. But on the piano, you can see it clearly.